There are YouTube videos that are promising you are just one video away from the algorithm blessing you with monetization. I've watched those videos. I want to believe in those videos. But here's what 45 days of posting daily has actually taught me. My name is Gerald and I am money drunk. And there is this idea, there is this promise that your next video is gonna make you go viral, or that this next video that you're gonna produce, this one's gonna be the tipping point. This is one that's gonna set you off over the edge. This one's gonna launch you into monetization. And the truth is that it's simply not true. While that does work, and you do hear these stories of people, I posted my first video and I got monetized, or I posted for a week or 3 weeks or a month and I got monetized. And that may be all well and good, and that may be true, but that certainly isn't the norm. And also, that's not really the point either. I think the point is something much, much deeper than that. So here's what 45 days has actually taught me. What it's taught me is that I can show up for myself. I can come up with an idea, I can organize it, I can get better at posting, at recording, at editing. And once I put that idea together, once I have crafted a video, I can press that publish button. That's what I've learned in 45 days. Yeah, getting monetized would be nice. And yeah, having the views and the recognition, that would be great. But you know what? I know that with each video that I create, every time I hit that record button, I'm getting better. I'm improving my skills. I'm improving my delivery. I'm finding my voice. I am creating something here, and each and every day it's getting better and better. But showing up for myself in that way is making a huge difference in my life. Not only is it proving to myself that I can do hard things, but more than anything else, and I keep saying this, I keep showing up for myself. And that idea that I'm no longer willing to abandon myself, that has been something that I've been seeking for a long time. And I've been looking for it in other people. I've been looking for it outside of myself. But finally, I've come to a point where I can find that from within. And it's only been showing up for these past 45 days and hitting that record button that I'm beginning to learn that I can show up for myself and that I can make a difference in my life. And while it may not be happening in the time that I want it to, or it may not be happening in the way that I want it to happen, nonetheless, things are happening. My life is changing. Again, not in the way that I think that it should, monetization, all those sorts of things, the YouTube partnership program, those things aren't happening yet. But it certainly has been my experience that if I give up, if I quit, then it will never happen. So my lesson for you, and I've said it in many other videos before, and you'll hear plenty of videos like this as well too, is keep going. Don't quit. This morning I woke up and I was afraid that I was climbing the wrong ladder, that I may be climbing to a destination that leads to nowhere. But I know that that's not the case. I know that that's not the case. On the other side of fear is my success. But that success will only come if I'm willing to bridge that gap, that chasm that I call fear. And showing up for myself day by day, improving my message day by day, getting crystal clear on the people that I serve just like you, who are uh, trying to improve, change their relationship with money. Wow. If I could have a different perspective on that, that would be amazing. That would be a miracle. But it's only by showing up every day. It's only by keep going. No, don't stop. And do that with a gentleness to myself. Do that with compassion for myself. It's not a stick and a whip that I'm beating myself with. It is, like I said, being willing to show up for myself. And once I'm able to do that, then anything is possible. And if this video meant anything to you, if you resonated with anything in this video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the like button on there as well too. And also, if you like to have a conversation about some of your money blocks, about some of the issues that you're facing today, how you can go from this idea, and I'm going to speak for myself here, this idea of self-loathing and I don't deserve it, and that works for other people, but that doesn't work for me. If I want to go from that place to going to a place where I have compassion for myself, where, dare I say, I'm willing to begin to love myself, if that's something that's of interest to you, then go ahead and click the link in the description and schedule a free call with me. I'd love to talk to you about it and find your next step. So join me on this journey as I continue to get money sober. And watch this next video. I know you're going to love it because I loved making it. Go ahead and take a look. Whew.